So as I have evaluated myself on the daily trading and the daily trades that I took, I found out that I am more effective on Monday and Friday. See, it is very important for us traders, new or maybe the old ones, the new buy and the old traders, for you to learn, for you to know what are the day that you profit more. See, a lot of the gurus out there, and I hate to say it, they are trying to really force you to be like them in the way that they are trading. And in worst cases, a lot of it fail. See, uh, on my personality, I am effective on Monday and Friday. But that is opposite on the guru of this certain institution, of this certain company that's been, that's been teaching and selling the tools, forced selling. Well, that's what I'm trying to say. And it's quite expensive. It's 85,000. Goodness. See, this guru are trying to sell you the tools and trying to tell you that their strategy, that their effectiveness can be learned, which is, I hate to say it, but not everyone, not all persons have the same personality. That is why what they are teaching are not applicable to yourself. See, me as a pattern trader, I'm not saying also that you can be effective on Monday and Friday. Uh, this is just a video proof that you don't have to be fooled, you don't have to be scammed, you don't have to spend 85,000 pesos for a certain tools. It's not because they have shown you proof, but the best way to know and the best way for you to understand that you could profit in trading is to know yourself. Know your identity, know your favorite way of trading, which is where you are comfortable with, and track your performance. Hope this will give you a better understanding on what is trading. Thank you very much.